Sports here with Daniel Bent, the winning coach of Waterhouse. Tell us your thoughts on the game, Daniel.
I think it was an excellent game, exciting Monday night football. The first 5 or so minutes, Deborah Gray easily could have scored an hat-trick, but it was not to be. But in the end, 3-2 win over Cavaliers is a good result.
I think in the second half, you guys did something. You give them mental strength to come out and to change the game. What's your thought on that?
Yeah, man, the halftime talk with the players really inspired them. That we said to them that we're a better team than Cavaliers, so we needed to stamp our quality, and we came out in the second half very inspired, and they just delivered the 3 points.
Then Thomas continued to get man of the match performance. What you guys do to him for him to keep on getting those performances in?
I'll let you know another secret. The Nada Thomas alias at Waterhouse is Venom. And if you know the movie Venom, what type of person Venom is, the character is. So basically he lived up his name tonight, and he delivered a venomous performance.
Thank you very much, Daniel, and I hope you continue to get the performance in and reach far in this season.
All right, thank you, my brother.
Respect.